Good morning everyone. So dear students, today we will start exercise 40. Okay. The first question is this: express each of the following amounts in figures. You have to write in long form also and short form also. So how will you write? The first question is this: rupees 83 and paise 45. So you will write like this: 83 rupees 45 paise. Like this you will write, and now you have to write in short form also. So how will you write? Rupees 83.45. So like this you have to write. Okay. One more question I am going to tell of this. This was A and I am going to tell. I. What is I? 6 paise. 6 paise. So how will you write 6 paise? Simply you have to write 6 in number. 6 paise. Okay. Now you have to write in short form. So how will you write? Rupees 0.6. Rupees 0.6. 0.06 will be there. 0.06. Okay. So like this you have to solve question number 1. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 2. The question number 2 is this: express each of the following amounts in words. Express each of the following amounts in words. Express each of the following amounts in words. Okay. First is this: rupees 76.50. Rupees 76.50. So how will you write? Rupees. You will write like this: rupees 76 rupees 76 and paise 50. Okay. So like this you have to write. Now I am going to tell you question number H. H is there rupees 0.06. So how will I write? You can see here rupees is 0 and paise is 6. So simply you have to write only paise 6. Paise 6. So like this you can solve question number 2. Okay. Now I am going to tell you question number 3 of exercise 40. Question number 3 is this: convert each of the following amounts into paise. Following amounts into paise. First is this: 34 rupees 65 paise. 65 paise. So how will you do? So you know, students, 1 rupee is equal to 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So how will you do? 34 will be multiplied by 100. Now it will become paise, and this is already in paise, 65 paise. Okay. So firstly, whatever given in rupees, you have to convert in paise like this. How will you convert? By multiplying it by 100. Okay. So 34 will be multiplied by 100. 3400. Okay. 3400 paise plus 65 paise. That's okay. Now simply you have to add these numbers. So what you will get? 3465 paise. Okay. This is your answer. So like this you can solve question number 3. Okay, students. Now I am going to tell you question number 4. What is question number 4? The question number 4 is: convert each of the following amounts. Convert each of the following amounts into paise. Okay. So this is given in decimal form. Okay. Rupees 16.50. 16.50. So how will you convert in paise? You have to write here 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Okay. So rupees 16.50 equal to rupees 16.50 will be multiplied by 100. Okay. So you have to write here 1650 paise. ओके. जब आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 100 में कितने जीरोज हैं बेटा? देयर आर 2 जीरोज इन 100. सो डेसिमल मल्टीप्लाई करने में बेटा राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है, और जब आप डिवाइड करते हो तो लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है. तो डेसिमल अभी 2 प्लेसेस यहाँ से राइट साइड में शिफ्ट हुआ है, तो यहाँ आ गया डेसिमल. डेसिमल कहाँ आ गया है? लास्ट में. ओके. तो यहाँ लास्ट में अगर डेसिमल को लिखे हम लिखे, आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो 16.00 paise. But there is no means of zero after the decimal. If any number is given, then that means only. Okay. So you have to write here 1650 paise. Okay. One more question I am going to tell you. So like this you have to solve. Okay. D is this rupees 8.09. So you have to write here 1 rupees equal to 100 paise and rupees 8.09 equal to 8.09 multiplied by 100. Now it will be in paise. Okay. So decimal will be sit in right side. So 809 paise. Okay, 809 paise. So like this you have to solve question number 4. Okay. So I hope you understand this. Now I am going to tell you question number 5. The question number 5 is this. Convert each of the following amounts into rupees. First is this 3165 paise. So you have to write here 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 3165 paise equal to 3165 upon 100. Okay. Okay. So how many zeros are here? मैंने आपको बताया बेटा डिवीजन में डेसिमल लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है और मल्टीप्लाई में डेसिमल राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है. तो जितने जीरो रहेंगे उसी के अकॉर्डिंग बेटा डेसिमल शिफ्ट होगा. तो यहाँ 2 जीरो है. सारे नंबर के लास्ट में डेसिमल होता है. अगर डेसिमल कहीं नहीं दिया है तो सारे नंबर लास्ट में दिया है. ओके. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं डेसिमल नहीं है. इट मीन्स वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट डेसिमल इन द लास्ट. तो अगर डेसिमल लास्ट में है तो आप 2 प्लेसेस किधर लाओगे? डिवीजन करना है तो लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आएंगे और मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं किधर ले जाते हैं? राइट साइड में. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा रुपीज 31 एंड आफ्टर 2 बिकॉज देयर आर 2 जीरो तो 2 प्लेस पे आप राइट साइड से काउंट करके डेसिमल लगा देंगे. रुपीज 31.65. ओके. So like this you have to solve only. One more question I am going to tell you of this. F. There is given 303 paise. 303 paise. So you have to write here 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Okay. Then 303 paise equal to 303 upon 100 rupees. So decimal will be shift in left side 2 places. Okay. 1 2. From the right you count 1 2 rupees 3.303 rupees. What is your answer? Rupees 3.03. Okay. So like this you can solve. One more question. Question number G. G is here. So 95 paise is there. So you have to write here 1 rupees equal to 1 upon 100. No, 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 95 paise equal to 95 upon 100 rupees. So you have to write here rupees. After 2 places you will shift decimal 1, 2. So rupees 0.95. Or you can write 0.95 only. Okay, 0.95. H. H is there, 6 paise is there. Okay. So you have to write here 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So 6 paise equal to 6 upon 100 rupees. It means rupees. 2 places beta, अब 1 place क्या लाओगे, 0 लाओगे. Okay. So your answer is rupees 0.06. Okay. If nothing is there, you can write there 0.06. Okay students, so today you have to solve exercise 40 in your fair copy. Okay, I hope you understand it well. Okay, thanks, have a nice day.